Welcome to Spice Box. Today I'll be making Sabudana Khichdi. For this I have soaked the sago overnight in water and drained the water this morning. Now that it's nicely soaked, so I'm going to use it to make the khichdi. In this sago I'm going to use the crushed peanut, some sugar and salt to taste. Now mix it well. I'm using some finely chopped green chilies. Instead of this, you can use red chili powder. I'll put the chilies into the sago and mix it really well. Now let's heat the pan, put on the gas, heat the pan and let's add some oil into it. Let the oil heat up. In the meanwhile, I am slicing the potatoes. I am adding some cumin seeds, some curry leaves, some ginger paste. This is optional. Use it only if you like. And the rawness of ginger needs to be gone completely. The boiled potatoes that I sliced, I'll put into it and fry it for some crisp, let's say for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll put the sago mixture that I set aside earlier. I'll put into this. We'll have to do this on a low flame. I'll stir gently. Sago color needs to turn opaque, more like translucent. Until then, keep on stirring it. Now, squeeze some lime. This is also optional. Use the lime only if you feel like. Constant mixing is required or it could stick to the pan. Sago khichdi is now ready. Turn off the gas and we are going to serve it on a nice plate. Over this, some grated coconut, some coriander leaves, and a slice of lime. Our Sabudana Khichdi is ready. Happy cooking!